Hey guys, Steve from Internet City Computers here, Detroit. Today I just want to give you a glimpse of what my computer store looks like. Nothing fancy, but I'll tell you what, we do some work here. So here's our showroom where we have a little bit of everything for sale. Got some gaming computers, laptops, desktops, all-in-ones. Just a good variety for anybody. We got some monitors. Here's our front counter. This is our bench area. Not the most glamorous. It's very functional. This is one of our bench computers. We could test video cards, memory, hard drives, stuff there. That's running Windows 7. Here's a bunch of extra tools and adapters and stuff that we have. Keyboards, Apple. Another bench computer. Like I said, it's not the most glamorous bench. I've seen benches that were tidy and clean and organized, but not too functional. This one here, we got everything you need within a arm's reach. Got all our tools up here on hard drive magnets. Makes it really convenient. Got bins down here with all kinds of extra stuff we need. Video cards, hard drives, another bench computer. Here we have a couple stacks of laptops that we've gone through, removed the parts that we needed to use for other laptop repairs, and these will soon be going to the recycler. So that's about it. Not super huge, but it gets the job done. We're always busy. Our bench fee is really reasonable, and that keeps them coming in the door. A lot of happy customers. You can read our Google reviews, Internet City Computers. Till next time. Another segment coming up on Fix It Right. Adios.